Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. Today's video is going to be really interesting as we are going to do an experiment in which we'll make magic writing pencil. Yes, you heard it right. In this video, we are going to make magic writing pencil with the help of the few scientific concepts that you study in your science textbook. So let's get started. So children, first of all, let us discuss about the material required to make the magic pencil. The first material is that we need two pencils which are sharpened from both the ends. Then we require, 2 to 3 connecting wires, battery clip connector, alligator clips, 2 to 3 tissue papers, and we also require 9-volt battery. Apart from that, we require kitchen salt, turmeric, some amount of water and paintbrush. So now let's get started with the procedure of the experiment. Right children, so our first step is that we need to connect both the pencils with the terminal of the battery, right? Means that one pencil will be connected to the positive terminal of the battery and another pencil will be connected to the negative terminal of the battery. Now to make this connection possible, I am using battery clip connector. So this blue color structure is the battery clip connector which you can find at your nearest electrical shop, right? So this battery clip connector actually connects to both the terminal of the battery. And then I am also using two connecting wires, okay? So these white color are the two connecting wires. And apart from that, I am using these alligator clips, okay? So these are the alligator clips which will make the connection more convenient for me. So now see what I am doing. I am taking this pencil which is sharpened from both the end. So what we are going to do, we are actually, going to connect the lead of the pencil, okay? So the lead of the pencil we are going to connect with the positive terminal, okay? Then I will take another alligator clip and it will hold the another pencil like this. So children, what have we done? Like this. Okay, so children, what have we done? We have actually connected the lead of the pencil, okay, the lead of the pencil with the two terminals of the battery, that is positive terminal and negative terminal. Second part of the procedure includes that what we need to do, we need to take some common salt or the kitchen salt and some amount of turmeric, and what we are going to do, we are going to put both of these things in water and we'll make a mixture or paste out of it, okay? So what we are going to do, we are going to take common salt and turmeric and put both of these in water. Okay, then we are going to mix them together, right? So let's cover this tissue paper with this mixture with the help of this brush. Children, in the next step, what we are going to do, we are actually going to take our connection of battery and pencil, and now we are going to write on this wet tissue paper which is covered with a mixture of salt, turmeric and water. But before that children, let me tell you some technical terms, okay, of the experiment before we proceed. So children, we know that one pencil is attached to the positive terminal and the second pencil is attached to the negative terminal of the battery. So children, the pencil which is attached to the positive terminal of the battery, which is this pencil, okay, which is attached through the red color wire, is called anode, and the pencil which is attached to the negative terminal of the battery through the black color wire is cathode, right? So now we are going to write with both of these pencil on this wet tissue paper, okay? So see what I am going to do. First of all, I am going to put both the pencils together on the tissue paper. And putting both the pencils on the tissue paper, now I am going to write with the pencil which is attached to the negative terminal of the battery, that is the cathode. I am writing with the cathode, okay? And children, what can you see? Can you see the magic? The pencil is actually writing in red color. It is writing in red color as if I am writing with the red color sketch pen. But no, I am writing with the normal pencil. Yes. So children, can you see that how beautifully this pencil is writing in red color? Yes. Okay, so I want to write science is fun. Yes, so isn't it a magic, children, that the pencil which is attached to the negative terminal of the battery or the cathode is writing in red color? Yes, and now I will put this red color pencil or the cathode here, and now I will try to write with the pencil which is attached to the positive terminal of the battery. Yes, children, what do you see? You see that the pencil which is attached to the positive terminal of the battery is acting as an eraser. Yes, it has actually erased the S which I had written with the pencil which was attached to the negative terminal of the battery. So children, isn't it the magic that one pencil which is the cathode is writing in red color and another pencil which is the anode is acting as the eraser. So let me write it again with the cathode. So I am writing this in red color with the cathode, that is pencil which is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. So children, this is the magic pencil of which I am talking about, in which an ordinary pencil is writing in red color and another pencil which is connected to the positive terminal is acting as the eraser. Children, if we talk about the working of this experiment or working of this magic writing pencil, then the working is actually based on three scientific concepts. Number one is electrolysis of salt solution. Number two, turmeric acting as the natural acid base indicator. And number three, neutralization reaction. So children, I hope that you really enjoy this experiment. You can actually do this experiment at your school also as a part of your science project. Okay. And yes, I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care all of you.